What's up, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we've got some massive news for OnePlus fans. The highly anticipated OnePlus 15 has just appeared on Geekbench, and the results are not what we expected. This phone is showing some incredible performance gains, and it's setting itself up to be a serious flagship contender. A new Geekbench listing for a device with the model number PLK110, which we believe is the Chinese variant of the OnePlus 15, has just surfaced. And this time, it's not an underclocked prototype. With the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, the OnePlus 15 is showing some serious power, with scores that handily beat the OnePlus 13 and are on par with the new Xiaomi 17 series. The new Geekbench listing reveals a single-core score of 3,709 and a multi-core score of 11,000. To put that in perspective, the OnePlus 13 with its Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset scored only 2,967 in single-core and 8,807 in multi-core. That's a huge jump in performance, showing just how powerful the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 really is. We're expecting to learn more about this chipset at the Snapdragon Summit on September 23rd. We've also gotten a ton of new leaked details about the OnePlus 15. It's rumored to feature a new BOE X3 Oriental screen with an ultra-high 165Hz refresh rate, a significant leap from the 120Hz from its predecessor. Interestingly, the display may be smaller and have a lower resolution, which could be part of a new design language. The phone is also ditching the Hasselblad camera tuning for an in-house DetailMax Engine, which the company claims will deliver clearer, more real photos without over-beautification. The new camera system will feature a new 85mm f2.8 telephoto camera. In what is a truly impressive feat of engineering, the OnePlus 15 is tipped to feature a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 120-watt fast charging. That's a huge upgrade from the 6,000 mAh battery on the OnePlus 13, and yet the new phone is expected to have a similar weight. Leaks suggest color options like Original Sand Dune, Absolute Black, and Mist Purple, with the lightest variant coming in at just 211 grams. The OnePlus 15 has already received 3C certification in China, which confirms it will ship with a 120-watt charger. This certification puts it in line with other upcoming flagships like the Vivo 300 Pro and Oppo Find X9. The OnePlus 15 is expected to debut in China in October, with a global launch likely to follow in early 2026. So, the OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be a performance beast, with some major upgrades in the camera and battery departments. What do you think of these new specs and the move away from Hasselblad? Is this the flagship you've been waiting for? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech leaks and reviews.